If Apple made a smart, health-focused ring, it would probably look like this. So this is the Ultrahuman Ring Air, and it's a ring that you wear on your finger that actively measures some health metrics. And right off the bat, it's a super premium unboxing presentation. So the ring itself is actually made out of titanium. Because it's a smart, health-focused ring, there's a bunch of sensors on the inside. And if you're wondering how you pick the right size, they actually send you out a sizing kit beforehand, and then you pick the ring size that fits you, and then they send you the ring. And the actual ring fits very well on my finger, and even though it's a full-on ring with a metal construction, a battery, and health sensors inside, it's about 2.5 grams, which is insanely light. But in terms of the rest of the stuff in the box, you also get some paperwork, along with a little charging dock, which is very weighted and feels very high quality, along with a braided USB-C cable for the charging dock itself, and all of this stuff is extremely high quality. I wasn't lying at the beginning when I said that this is all very Apple-esque, because everything about this experience down to the unboxing is extremely polished. So before I actually paired the ring to my phone, I have to let it charge for about 30 minutes. Alright, it's been a little while, so I went to go have a snack. Haha, just kidding, I am the snack. So now I need to connect the ring itself to the Ultrahuman app. And this app is like really nicely designed as well. So it seems like my ring has a software update, so let's quickly do that. It's kind of crazy to think that I'm updating the OS on my ring. That's a sentence I never thought I'd say. Now I just need to wear the ring for a few days to gather some baseline metrics. I'll update you guys in the ring as time goes on because I still don't really know what exactly to expect.